Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban. Is a full-size SUV that continues to prioritize power, space, and technology. It offers three engine options: a 5.3 liters V8, a 6.2 liters V8, and a newly updated 3.0 liters Duramax Turbo-Diesel, now producing 305 horsepower and 495 pounds-to-feet of torque. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering a balance of performance and efficiency. Chevrolet has enhanced the Suburban's driving experience with suspension upgrades and available air ride adaptive suspension for improved ride comfort. The SUV also includes a more advanced suite of safety and driver assistance features, such as automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. Trim levels include LS, LT, RST, Z71, Premier, and High Country, offering a range of features and capabilities to suit different preferences. The 2025 Chevrolet Suburban features a bold and modern exterior paired with a spacious, tech-forward interior. The front end has been redesigned with a sharper, more sculpted look. The headlights are slimmer and positioned lower, giving it a more aggressive stance. Signature C-shaped LED lighting and available animated lighting sequences add a premium touch, especially on higher trims. New color options like Cypress Gray and Lakeshore Blue Metallic expand customization choices. Wheel sizes now go up to 24 inches on certain trims, and functional features like power retractable running boards and hands-free tailgate enhance everyday convenience. Inside, the Suburban offers a large 17.7-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, tilted slightly toward the driver for easy access. It's paired with an 11-inch digital gauge cluster. Controls are intuitive, blending digital interfaces with physical knobs for volume and climate. Material quality varies by trim, with High Country models offering real wood accents and premium leather, while sportier trims like the RST feature unique stitching and color accents. Seating is spacious and flexible, accommodating up to 9 passengers depending on configuration. The second and third rows can fold flat, creating a large, versatile cargo area. Comfort features include ventilated and heated seats, available panoramic sunroof, and multiple USB ports across all rows. Advanced tech options include a head-up display, interior motion sensors, and Super Cruise hands-free driving on select models. Overall, the 2025 Suburban blends rugged utility with upscale styling and technology, making it a top contender in the full-size SUV market. Starting prices begin in the low $60,000 range, with higher trims exceeding $80,000. The 2025 Suburban is built for those needing serious passenger and cargo capacity while also valuing modern technology and strong towing capability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon button.